Welcome back, guys, to another video. We out here, Zero Below Splash.
Tell them where we at.
Shh. We out here. Look at that.
Popeyes,
Look at that. It's back.
Popeyes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For us.
Yes, sir.
He's been talking about it all weekend.
We go cop it. We gonna tell you guys how it is.
Oh, yes, sir. Are we outie?
Yes, sir.
More than me, you move with caution. 512, she bought from Austin. Watching Family, got no way to pause it. Heard the voicemail and she done lost it. Hear the silence, hear the water from the faucet. 1, 2, 3, we lasted longer than an auction. Thought I sold it, but it ain't no way she bought it. Time to fill up the wood with narcotics. Yeah, I'm up in the trees if you need me. Yeah, back up in the game, go for a 3P. Yeah, back up off the game and we need 3 feet. While I mix up the magic Houdini.
Alright guys, just ordered my chicken sandwich. I got a spicy and I got a classic. I'm gonna show you guys what's good about it. Alright guys, we're back at home. We got a whole lot of chicken. Oh shoot, dang, I just messed up the camera. Okay. Got a whole lot of chicken sandwiches and we got even more.
I got a meal.
And we're gonna test them out. You enjoying his appetizer. His mac and cheese.
It's an appetizer. That did not happen.
Got a bris.
I got a big ass cup.
I was gonna get that, but it would take too long.
Oh, dude, they give you up front.
Well, dang. Okay. The sandwich. This is it. It looks good. It's not bad. It's not
Sir.
bad.
It better be a good
This
damn.
better be really, really good.
Ooh, we got mayonnaise and pickles in it. Oh, it's a big ass pickle.
I know.
Alright,
Ready?
Ready?
Whoa. Whoa.
You're good.
Mm.
I'm good.
Whoa.
Hold up.
What is Chick-fil-A?
Hello?
Damn, Chick-fil-A has. I
Chick-fil-A
think
is
Chick-fil-A has
crazy right
competition.
Whoa.
I can see why.
Yeah,
Popeyes.
it's that crunchiness.
Crunchiness, but the soft chicken.
Yeah. Dude. Oh my god. That first bite was something else.
It
That
was
first
totally
bite.
worth it.
It was.
All the weight we had to
We
do.
gotta tell grandma. It was worth it.
I have to go back and get some more.
Yeah, we're definitely going back to get more. Wow.
And like Eric, look at all this protein.
Alright guys, so that first bite, it was crunchy and delicious, and I can't explain it because it was so good.
Sorry, I'm doing streaks.
You're good, bro. That was amazing. Oh my gosh.
Y'all can split it.
Send this to.
That's some hot stuff right there.
Alright
Oh,
guys.
look at that, look at that. It's friggin'.
Oh my god. Alright guys, we're gonna try the spicy one. That first one was absolutely delicious. I would definitely go back for like 8 more.
Facts though.
Go burn it off at the
Oh,
court.
it smells good though. Do you want to try it?
I'll make a bite. I'll have a bite.
Because I was gonna cut it. I could cut it in like 4s.
Should cut it in fours.
Yeah. I guess. I'll just take one. Y'all can have the rest. Give one to Binky.
Yeah, right.
It's gonna freaking engulf that.
Exactly.
Bro, if you want the smallest piece. Stuck in my
Kinda wanna watch George a little bit.
Hold up. We might.
Alright, grab a piece.
Okay, which one's the smallest? Just shh. Which one's the smallest?
Probably that one.
Oh, Oh, bro. Hold up.
Yeah, you can have the big one, brother.
Okay.
So are you.
Oh, you stabbed me, Binky.
Thank you.
You guys ready?
They kind of messed up our order, so we only got one spicy. The workers were working hard back there.
Oh, it smells good.
You ready?
Ready?
Go.
Mmm.
Oh.
Mmm.
Oh, that's good.
This is the good kind.
It like actually like brings in flavor.
Yeah.
It's like most like sandwiches, they just like put in spicy things and it makes it like too hot. This one actually like
Yeah.
That's hot.
It's not like spicy,
but it's like
in the
flavor
middle.
spicy.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This isn't bad.
Damn, we should have brought 8 classics, 8 hot.
It would have messed up our order.
That's true.
Wanna try some
Dog.
Biggie smells good.
Honestly, though. Like he was outside.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's so good. Why did they mess up the order? That was so good.
I don't know. That's all it
There's
is.
probably a reason why. This shit's good as freak.
I think he wants to get some of that action.
That's what it feels like. I see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Alright, Biggie.
Man, why'd they mess up our order?
Is it good? I think
You good?
you good? You good, bro? Is it spicy?
You had a little.
He's doing a lot of that.
Mm-hmm.
You had a little piece of that spicy.
Ooh.
Just eating them now.
Is he? I know, Biggie.
It's okay. Water's over there.
Yeah, Biggie.
Water's over there.
I got some water.
Brother, you see the food coming from the chicken sandwiches.
Bro, he's an autopilot right now.
He's an autopilot. Hey, but he's still getting buckets though.